already our, so muna ni siya ang yang nawong. The initial solution for that particular problem. So actually what we are doing is we are just translating the procedure that was written in your notes. So kindly, I assume that at this point you're watching this video, you already read the material, and this material will just serve as dugang nga explanation or pagpasabot para mas masabtan na to ang involved na procedure. Okay, so I am going to skip some of the slides. Those are already provided in the material that I've given to you. And ang akong gusto is mo-proceed ko dito sa akong gimano-mano og trabaho para mas dali, mas paspas nga pagpasabot. Bale, kining mga procedure dire is akong i-simplify on the following slides. Okay, but you have to remember you now have the initial solution. Remember this one. Okay. So you have to read all these steps, no? You have the materials with you. And we are going also to perform the stepping stone method. That is, stepping stone method is the one that we will be using in evaluating the unused squares. So I hope inyo na go over. Although I understand, I assume nga nalibog mo with this procedure, but don't worry, we are going to simplify and explain all this. Okay, all the steps, I hope inyo na lang na-go over, and good for those nga na gets insigida after reading the material. Okay. Okay, balik ta din he. Diba? This is already the tabular form, no? The tabular representation of the problem. And then after we do the northwest corner rule, we were able to come up with this assignments, diba? 100, 200, 100, 100, 200. So this is already the initial solution. So katong last nga atong kanan. So I just put here for easier identification of each cell. This one is called a cell, no? We have here 9. So we have DA, DB, DC, meaning source D to destination A. Source D, we have here source D to destination B, source D to destination C. We have source E to destination A, source E to destination B, source E to destination C. And we have source F to destination A, source F to destination B, and source F to destination C. That is para mas paspas o dali na to nga masabtan pa dili ta malibog. Okay, now we already have the initial solution. We have the initial assignments. The next thing that we are going to do based on the procedure, if you read the procedure, is we are going to evaluate unused square. Okay? Atong i-evaluate tanan nga mga wala na gamit or wala na sudlan nga mga cells or squares. And then, diha na ito gamitin ang atong stepping stone method. Okay. So, accordingly, if you happen to read the procedure, so we need to trace a closed path on every unused square. Okay, in this case, let us begin. Pwede ka bisag asa magsugod, no? In this case, let us begin with unused square dB. Asa si unused square dB here, di ba? We need to trace a closed path. So, stepping stone method, mag-ambak-ambak ta kada cell nga naay sulod until such time that we can create a closed path. Dili ta pwede mo ambak sa cell nga walay sulod. Okay? So in this case, for dB, an u square dB, so pwede ta mo dB to dA, na may siya sulod, di ba? Going down to EA, going to kilid to EB, then going back to dB. Okay? So, atong close path, gikan dB padulong kang dA. Gikan kang dA going down to EA. And then, from EA, pakilid kang EB. O from EB, pabalik kang dB. So, it is a closed path. No? Close. I hope inyo nasundan. In the closed path, so nanatay closed path, after such daw is you need to assign plus minus signs sa path nga imuhang gisudlan. So for dB, we are going daw to begin on the unused square. Unused square and begin with plus, no? With plus. Ay din ang minus. So plus sign and minus sign. So we have here dB, so plus, we have here the plus, we have the minus, plus na po nato, then dire minus. Okay, so we are going to erase some of this para dili mo malibog. Okay. So, the next thing to do, naka-assign na og plus ug minus. Ang next daw ni mga buhaton, according to the procedure, is you are going to try to see and to prepare an improvement index. No, we will try to see if there is an improvement. Okay. How are we going to do that? Okay, naka-assign naman tag plus minus. Okay. So, muna nitong gihimo kaganina, plus, minus, minus. So, try to make an improvement index for dB man taon na, di ba? Okay. Or na next na ko ang slide. Okay. For dB, here, we are going to use the cost, no? Cost per cell. So the dB, di ba? dB plus man siya, dB minus dA, kay minus man siya, plus EA minus EB. Nara, dB minus dA minus EA plus EB. Sir, asan ni nato gikan? Gikan ni siya sa to ang close path, di ba? Nga na-trace ka ganina. Then, after that one, we will be using its corresponding cost. So, you have here 4 minus man nga sign dito, di ba? Minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. Mura na sa tong close path. So, that is equal to 3. Okay, based on the procedure, in the improvement index, no, for the unused square, dili pa siya optimal nga solution if naapay negative. Okay? So, if the improvement index is 0 or positive, meaning we already, tanan unused square, meaning we already arrive or derive the optimal solution. But, if in the improvement index, if there is still negative, meaning that is not yet the optimal solution and we can still come up with an improved solution. Okay, so we're done with dB. It's positive 3. That's good. So next is unused square DC. dB man to. So we're going to proceed here. Let us try to trace a close path for DC. Okay. So dili siya necessary square all the time. Basta kay maka-trace ta og close path. So DC ambak ta to DA. Okay. So, for after DA, di man ta makanaog kang FA, kaya wa man siya sulod. Di man ta pwede mo ambak sa stone nga walay sulod, mabasa ta na. So here, we are going down to EA. Okay. Next, di man ta makalahos kang EC, kaya wala siya sulod. So, mo adto ta mo ambak ta kang EB. After kang EB, mo naog ta kang FB. Kang FB, magpakilid ta adto ta kang FC. And from FC, balik ta kang DC. Sana all balikan. Char lang. So, now, we were able to have our closed path. Now, this is already our closed path. So, what we did in unused square DB, that is the same procedure that we're going to use for DC. So since we already now a closed path, we are now going to assign plus minus sign. So we're going to begin with our unused square. So this is mag-start with a positive sign. So this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. Okay, then we are going to arrange that in our improvement index. So starting with DC, diba, this is positive man siya. Start with a positive. So plus, we have DC here, minus DA, plus EA, minus EB, plus FB, minus FC. And you have to use the cost for each of the cell. So we have 3 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4 plus 7 minus 5. Then it will give us a result of improvement index of positive 4. Okay, so far, so it's good. There's no negative yet. So we already evaluated DB and DC. So actually, pwede na ka mag-abak-abak kung unsa imong unahon. So next is pwede tayong proceed with EC. We are going to try to evaluate a new squared EC. Okay, for EC, here we are going to trace a closed path for a new squared EC. So we can start with EC. Pwede tayong mupakilid kang EB. Munaog ta kang FB. Mupakilid kang FC. And going back to EC. So we have here a closed path. So ako lang siya i-erase para di kita malibog, no? Later. So next step, again, same procedure, assign plus minus sign, starting with the unused square. So this is plus. Here we have plus EC, plus minus, plus minus. So we have for EC, we have EC minus EB plus FB minus FC. So, mura na sa tong closed path. And then, we are going to substitute those with its corresponding cost. So, we have 3 minus 4 plus 7 minus 5. And it is equal to 1. So far, for the third one, wala tayong negative. So, it might be an optimal. But then, we are not sure yet. We still have one more unused squared na wala na evaluate. The unused squared FA. Okay. Now, let's try to evaluate unused squared FA. The last one. So, let's try to trace a closed path here. So, from FA, pwede ta magpakilid to FB. From FB, sakata kang EB. After kang EB, pakilid ta at ta kang EA. And naog ta kang FA. So we now have a closed path. Then same procedure, assign plus minus sign starting with the unused square. So this is we have here plus minus plus minus. Okay, so what we have here, so we have FA minus EA plus EB minus FB. And we are going to substitute that with its corresponding cost. So we have here 9 minus 7. Pwede po na pataas, depende, wala problema. Maura gyapon ang resulta. 9 minus 8 plus 4 minus 7. And sad to say, it is equal to negative 2. So based on the procedure, if we have an improvement index equal to a negative number, it means it's not yet the optimal solution and we need to come up with an improved solution. So, but to be able to come up with an improved solution, we need to do some manipulation. Okay, using the stepping stone method.